Welcome, let's talk about LUNC. If the Luna Classic can hit back at 1 trillion LUNC coin that has always been traded on a daily basis, today about 375 billion 669 million 446,839 LUNC coin is being traded as of today, which amount to about $46,558,117, especially on Binance. Now, unlike last 2 months, we saw Luna Classic daily trade hitting over 1 trillion coins of LUNC. Okay, and then of course Luna Classic daily volume was trading between $244 million to $322 million. Now the market cap is a little bit above $700 million. So if I want to see LUNC hit back where at least hitting a market daily volume of over $200 million once again, I believe by then at least market cap will be hitting towards 1.3 and $2 billion market cap. But the market cap have really dropped, and you can see that just 375 billion coins of LUNC is being traded on a daily basis, unlike over a trillion. Today we're talking about 375 billion coins, and Luna Classic needs to revive. Luna Classic needs to bounce back before it's too late, because the way these things are going, LUNC is really dropping, and if this daily volume drop down to 100 billion or 150 billion coins of LUNC, then the burning of Luna Classic will definitely reduce. Yes, imagine charging 1.2% from the daily trade of LUNC to how much will Luna Classic be burning in a day. Okay, so you can see that the amount of coins LUNC will now burn will be too small. It will definitely reduce when the volume have actually reduced. So for me, I think let's see how this new month will be for LUNC. Let's see if we can hit back at over 700 to 1 trillion coins of LUNC that will be traded on a single day, in order to increase the burning of Luna Classic in the coming months. And I want to see LUNC hit over 1 trillion coins trading volume in a single day, so that LUNC will definitely hit a massive increase in price. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.